Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today it is time for our third in my month of giveaway, so let's get in here and see what I've got. I am pushing forward with making this video just like I did last week. I'm making it before I have actually drawn the second winner. So I will show you what I've got, give you the rules, tell you also that I will have the rules below in case I forget to mention anything, and I will make the announcement of the winners with their permission at the end of the month of giveaways. The rules are going to be the same as last week. Like this video, comment on this video, and we'll come up with something. I haven't come up with anything yet. We'll do something based on what I've got down here. And subscribe to the channel and have your subscriptions on public so that I can see you are subscribed. Be 18, a US resident. What else? This is in no way affiliated with YouTube or any of the brands that I'm getting ready to show you. I'll put the privacy policy below. All the rules are below. Be sure and check them out in case I've forgotten anything here. So let's press forward and I will show you what we're going to have. And this is technically my 8K giveaway. So we've done the 6, we've done the 7. This is the 8. I'll also have a 9K giveaway. And then over on Insta, I will have my 1K giveaway. We'll start this one out like I have all the others with some masks. So I'll tell you a little bit about them. I have a natural shea butter mask set from the same, and that is what that looks like. We have, this sheet is bananas. How cute is that? And that is from Jeju N. So cute. Super Beauty Mask by Honey Jarrett. That is what that looks like. We have a Rhodiol Vitamin C Energizing Face Mask. And I think I've put them in all of them, a 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Face Mask. Next, I have just a couple of samples. I have a Believe Pete Miracle Revital Eye Cream, and that's what that looks like, and an Acure Incredibly Clear Charcoal Lemonade Facial Scrub, and that is what that looks like. Next, I will show you the makeup, and I have a Colored Rain eyeshadow in Champagne Life. I don't know if you watch the channel, but Ipsy is, I think, contractually bound to send me at least one of these a quarter. So that is what that looks like. And it is a great color. I totally enjoy the one I kept for myself, but I'm going to pass this one along. I have a Bella Pierre Banana Setting Powder. And that is what that looks like. I have, and we just got this in our Trend Mood box, and it is so pretty. This is the Zodiac Cosmetics Highlighter in Zeus. And that is what that looks like. It is so pretty. It would make a pretty highlighter, or you could use it on your eyes. I have a Bella Pierre Kiss Proof Lip Cream, and it is in Muddy Rose. That is so pretty. We have a Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner, and that's just a black eyeliner. And a Beauty Crop Palette, and this is Dawn Gazing. I think I used Sun Gazing in my 7K. And that is what it looks like, and it has... yes, it has a good plastic shield on it. That is what the palette looks like. It is so pretty and so perfect for fall. So pretty. And next I have a quick color switch, and it is from Lavish. That is what that looks like. I won't open it. It has just kind of a spongy type thing in it, and it's a little rough. And if you're doing like your eyes, or I guess any makeup, you can take your brush when you have a color on it, run it over it, and move on to another color, and it will have cleaned it for you. I have a LaRousse 334 angled contour brush, and that is what that looks like, and a Pure 4-in-1 correcting primer to energize and rescue, and that is a full size. We also have in this a Korres Pure Greek Olive Body Cream in Peach Blossom, and that is what that looks like. It is a good full size, 6.76 ounces. That's heavy. And next I have, and you know these are near and dear to my heart, a Switch to Pure Hello Glow Gua Sha. Let me show you this one. This is one of the white jade gua shas with the, I love the way these handle. This is such a great size. So I will probably put more in there to pack it so I will feel better about shipping it, but that is what that looks like. And last we have our skincare, and I have another sample. I had put it over with the skincare. It is the Sunday Riley UFO Acne Treatment Oil. And then in full sizes, we have one of the Glossy Box Eye Boost Creams. I love this. I am using this every day, and I use it just as an eye cream. I actually have been doubling down with it. I use this, and it's so moisturizing, and I allow it to absorb, and then I've been using that Glam Glow Brightening Eye under there also, and I love the combination, but this is a great eye cream, and it says to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. I love it. We also have a Bliss Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. And that is what the box looks like. And then that is what the bottle looks like. I was so intrigued by this. I kind of wanted to try it, but it's a deep detox and I just really don't need that with my face, so it made more sense to pass it along. But I am intrigued by a souffle mask. Whoever wins it will have to let me know how cool it is. Next we have a Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream. So you have an eye cream and now a day cream. I really like the Grown Alchemist products, and that is what it looks like. It's in one of those metal tubes. I love this. And last but not least for this giveaway, we have the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. And that is what the box looks like. So I tried to give you a good mix of skincare, an eye cream, a face cream, a day mask that you can detox, and a night sleeping mask. So that is what that looks like, and it is gorgeous. It's so heavy. I did not think about shipping all of these heavy things. Oh well, you're worth it. So that is my 8K giveaway, and thank you guys so much. Again, I appreciate you all being out there so much and watching all of my content, watching me do all of these unboxings. I am having so much fun, and it wouldn't be nearly the fun without you guys. We have some masks, some skincare, some makeup, some tools. Nice little gua sha. So I always have you let me know if you want to be entered, because some of the people that come over to comment are just being supportive of the channel and don't necessarily want to be entered. So just go ahead and pick any one of these products. Dealer's choice. You guys let me know, like, what's your favorite product or which of these you would most like to try. Just mention one of the products and I will go ahead and assume you would like to be entered. This giveaway will start when I put this video up, and it will end next Wednesday, which I believe is September 30th at 5 o'clock Eastern. Again, I will put the date below just in case I have missed on that. I don't have a calendar in my room, but I think next Wednesday is the 30th. So it will end next Wednesday at 5 p.m. I have all of the rules below. If you have any questions, just let me know. And thanks again so much for being a part of the channel. Take care, guys, and I'll see you soon.